It's Friday morning, October 7th. Gonna go do a walking tour of the neighborhood again, look at some more streets, see if anybody needs any help. I've got my tractor. I brought it down from up north, so I can help people move some trees, roofs, whatever needs to be done. And let's go see what the neighborhood looks like. Skylark and El Dorado. Gonna take a quick tour down here to see what the construction looks like. Most folks have cleaned up so far, looks like, so it's good. Halfway down, and looks like so far the houses here are largely undamaged. Some roof damage, a little bit on this house here. They're taking care of it. So yeah, looking okay on the street. Got some crews out. Looks like they're getting ready to continue the repairs here on El Dorado. So that's awesome. The lines are hanging a bit low, even though the street does have power. Just confirmed the Skylark Court does have power. The message isn't clear. If you are not here to help, please leave. Here at Sunset in El Dorado, we'll do a quick tour down here, see how things fare. All right, going down Seminole and El Dorado. Looks like the road's clear at least. Same as other streets, everybody's got their stuff out on the to the curb. So I'm at Seagull in El Dorado. I'm gonna see what Seagull looks like. You need a hand with any of that? Okay. All right. Do you have power yet? You're getting close.
I know. I just saw them looking at the telephone poles at the end.
Yeah. So yeah, they're we got it off of Tower and all those courts last night. So you're just 2 streets off, and you'll have it.
Awesome.
I think Stratford has it. Yeah. So air conditioning again. Seagull actually looked pretty good. This everybody's stuff's ruined, but other than that, looks like it's in pretty good shape. A few shingles here and there. All right, here at Sarasota and El Dorado, looks like we still got some pretty heavy pole damage here. So might be a minute before we get this restored, even though the crews are on El Dorado right now. So might get lucky. This house is pretty heavily damaged here. 5222. Looks like nobody's been there either, from what I can tell. Pretty bad shape. Like the sailboat didn't make it. It's on the other side of the lifts. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's unfortunate. I'm here at Savoy Court in El Dorado. Almost to the end of El Dorado on this side of Southeast Cape. So let's take a look at Savoy. Sign says, "You loot, we shoot." Amen. Where you fellas from? Georgia. Okay, cool. So you come on. I've been Northeast Georgia many times. There's some nice waterfalls and rapids up there, isn't there?
Yeah.
All right.
That's a little bit north of us. We're right out of Athens.
Okay, got it. Cool. Yeah, I'm from, well, live down here, but also up in Tennessee as well. So, yeah, cool. Well, thanks for coming in, boys, and helping out here.
We're going to get back on us quick as we can.
Appreciate it. You guys have a good one. This is Bayside in El Dorado. Actually fared pretty well down this canal. All right, awesome. El Dorado and Baypoint. Canal looks pretty good. They got lucky. Here at Baview. Looks like the Hurricane brand boat actually survived on the trailer. Go figure. The rest of the canal looks okay. Fence doesn't. Bayshore Avenue in El Dorado. But we got linemen out here getting her fixed. Morning.
Medic.
Gonna do a loop around Bayshore Drive. Morning. You need a hand with anything? You're welcome. Alrighty. So I'm now on Bayshore, that's along the Caloosahatchee. So these houses took the worst of the storm in the neighborhood. This is the house that we got drone footage of. The entire roof came off. This is what it looks like from the road. Unsafe, do not occupy. For sure. You can see right through the front window over to Fort Myers, Iona. This is an empty lot on the Caloosahatchee.